Oscar de Rosario, our school president. Miss Corazon Tulo, our school registrar. Miss Edna B. Aguilar, our school principal. Teachers and staff of Gideon School, honored guests, our parents, and fellow students, good morning. I, Gian Aaron Paul R. Buscos, stand before you a proud and a certified graduate of this great school. My achievement is through the help of many, which I like to say a very special thank you to the Lord, to my advisor, Miss Clipa Diaz, to my classmates, and I like to give my biggest thanks to my family, my mom and dad, and my grandparents. They were always there for me. And my message to my fellow graduates is that I ask all of you to be inspired to be better and to pray always. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gian. From Kinder, let us listen to the valedictory address of Martin Tarosa. Let us give a round of applause.